Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to continue list manipulation chapter, and today I am going to discuss some list functions, name and use of list functions. Okay, we can see here the first list function is index. Okay, index. Okay, this function returns the index of first matched item from the list. Okay, for example, a list we can see here. We can see here a list L1 containing elements 13, 18, 11, 16, 18 and 40. Okay, this L1 list containing some elements 13, 18, 11, 16, 18 and 40. Okay, using index function, I want to know the index position of number 18 in the given list L1. Then use of function index. Index function return the index index position of elements, given elements. Okay, you can see here 18 number available inside the list in which position? We can see here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the item 18 available in the list L1 in which position? We can see here 1. Then simply return 1. Okay, so keep in mind जो वैल्यू हम यहाँ पास करेंगे, सपोज हम क्या पास किए हैं 18, तो यह 18 इस जो लिस्ट है मेरा उसमें क्या करेगा, सर्च करेगा. ओके, जो फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पोजीशन हो, देखिए यहाँ पे 18 टू टाइम्स आया है, फर्स्ट टाइम एंड सेकेंड टाइम्स. एक का इंडेक्स पोजीशन 1 है, दूसरे का इंडेक्स पोजीशन क्या है 4 है, बट यह रिटर्न क्या किया 1. क्यों? यह फर्स्ट मैच्ड वैल्यू का इंडेक्स पोजीशन ही रिटर्न करेगा. इसके पास कितना और भी टाइम्स है, मेनी टाइम्स है, डजंट मैटर. जो पहली बार मैच करेगा, जो वैल्यू यहाँ पास किया वो पहली बार जो मैच करेगा उसी का इंडेक्स पोजीशन क्या करेगा, रिटर्न करेगा. ओके, एवरीवन मेक अ notes is we can see here index method. This method return the index of the first matched item. The format of using this syntax: list name dot index and then pass the item that you want to search inside the list. Okay, then you can see here this is the list containing elements, then pass item that you want to search 18 available at the index position 1 gets by returning 1. Okay, now okay, no problem. Next method is, suppose however if the given item is not in the list. Okay, suppose the given item not in the list, it raise the error. Okay, we can see here in this example list dot index 33. Okay, If 43 item is not there inside the list, then simply return index function error message. Okay, so I am going to show one live example for index function and try to search any item. Okay, now first of all open the IDE, Python IDE. Okay, take a new file new. Okay, I'm going to create one list L1. Okay, assign number of values like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, then I'm going to use a function named index. Okay, this index function accept one argument as an item that you want to search. After searching a list L1, simply return the index position of the matched item. Okay, in any variable. Okay, so now put here simply write a variable a, assign list name L1 dot, which function we are going to apply here? Index. Then simply write index. Okay, which item you want to search in list L1? Suppose I want to search 20, then pass 20 here. Okay, then close it. Listen carefully. Index function try to search 20 item in list L1. If item 20 available inside the list L1, then simply return the index position of item 20. We can see here index of each and every element 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then simply index position return 1 and 1 store inside the variable a. Then using print method print the value of a. It means the index position of item 21. Okay, now I am going to write complete program. Okay, now press the enter to get a new line. Use print method to print the value of a. Okay, then press Ctrl plus S to save this file with any name. Okay, a.py. Okay, run this program to get the output. Okay,
so please pause the video sometime.
Okay,
This is want to say something, sir.
okay, we can see here output is 1. Okay, why output we are getting 1 here? Listen properly. List L1 containing elements 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Okay, now in the list line using index method method, I want to search which item 20. Then 20 available inside the list? Yeah, available. But which position? 0 and 1. Then simply index pressure return 1 and using print method value print the 1. Okay. Now, suppose I want to search 50 instead of 20. Then type 50 here. Okay. In case, what would be the output? Keep in mind 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then index is return which number? 4. Then store inside the A and print A. Then possible output 4. Run this program to get the output. We can see here 4. Okay. Next method is next one. Suppose if item is not there inside the list that you want to search, then simply return index method error. Okay, we can see here one more example. Suppose I try to store 100. Okay, then save it, run this program. We can see here error message. Okay, so if item are there, then return the index pressure, otherwise return error. Now, next method is append method. Okay, we can see here append method. Append method responsible to add a new item inside the list but at the last position. Okay, we can see here this list L1 containing elements 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. I want to add new element inside the list L1 like 100. Okay, 100. Then we are using the method append. Append means add the new item. Add the new item. Then try it. Okay. Then simply write L1 dot append. Okay. Then pass the item that you want to add inside the list L1 at the index position last. Okay. Then simply add 100 here. Then using a print method, print the value of list L1. Okay. Before appending, L1 containing elements 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. But after appending a new elements 100, the list become now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 100. Then save it, run to check. We can see here as output 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 100. Okay, are you getting me? Now, next method. Okay, next slide. Next method is extend method. Extend. Okay, we can see here the definition of extend method. The extend method is also used for adding multiple elements. Used for adding multiple elements, but it is the different from the append function. What is the difference? What is the difference between append and extend method? Append method add only one item, but using extend method we can add multiple items. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks.